Hello people, I today wanted to show you if you work with large thing and you wanted to only keep one object and to hide everything else, especially when you have house and kitchen inside the house. There's option isolate selection, but I will show you first method. Object show hide unselected. Everything else has been hidden. As you can see, object show hidden objects. You can also do another way. If you add like a collection. Okay, I wanted to show you. Because I consider it to be important. If we add a cable to collection, we can also use option in collection visibility, isolate. You can also hide everything else when you work with collection, and again visibility, isolate, and everything comes up. I hope you like my video tutorial. I showed you two ways of showing and hiding objects. See you people.